Hello, welcome back to Rosie's Kitchen. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared this delicious chicken breast and the shrimps express. I first of all slice the chicken breast. After slicing the chicken breast, I'm going to use the butter of my choice. You can also use the butter of your choice as well. This is the way I'm going to slice all the chicken breasts. After slicing them, I put them into a bowl where I'm going to mix them with paprika powder. I'm now frying the chicken breast. After adding the chicken breast, I add dill. I add onion. I add onion leaf. I add Maggi, little ground pepper, thyme, and a little salt. After frying the chicken breast, I'm going to fry the shrimps also. I add butter and the Maria before adding the shrimps. I add chopped fresh tomatoes before adding fresh chopped paprika. I now add the fried chicken breast to it. After adding the chicken breast, I keep stirring them together. After 2 minutes, it is done. Please do not forget to like, share and comment. Bye bye.